Hey guys, so if you're like me, you'll probably notice that after Microsoft released the security patch for the PrintNightmare exploit, if you try to add a lower end printer from the network, you'll get this error message. It's 0x0000011b. Now, there are a bunch of fixes online that suggest that you uninstall the Microsoft security patch, but I wouldn't really recommend that if you want to stay protected against that PrintNightmare exploit. So what we're gonna do instead is we'll add the printer for local port. That's gonna keep the security patch, and the printer is gonna work as well. So for that, you'll want to head over to your control panel, go to devices and printers. This is your typical screen where you see all your printers listed. From here, just go to add printer. Select the printer isn't listed. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Hit next. Create a new port. You'll want to choose a local port. Hit next, and here for the port name, just type in the file path and the name itself. So for example, in this case we'd have S42 as the computer, and the printer name is Canon TS3300S42. Hit OK. In my case it says the port already exists because I previously added it. On your end you're not gonna see that, but in my case I'm just gonna go back here. I'll use an existing port and I'll use the one I already added. So I hit next, select the drivers here. If you don't have the drivers, you can just download them from Microsoft. So hit Windows Update. It's gonna take a little bit for it to download all the drivers. Alright, so once the drivers are updated from Windows, just browse to your particular driver, which in my case is the Canon TS3300, that's mine. So you can always choose have disk and manually download the drivers from the manufacturer's website. So you can do either way. But alright, so once you have the drivers, just select it, hit next, just select a name for it, hit yes. Right, so once the driver is installed, hit finish. And if we go back to control panel, we'll see that the printer is listed over here, and we'll go ahead and print a test page just to make sure. So go to printer properties, print test page. Okay. And there you have it.